So you want to learn how to write an affiliate disclosure. In this video, I will give you 7 actionable tips to create an effective and legally compliant affiliate disclosure for your blog. First of all, what's an affiliate disclosure? An affiliate disclosure is a statement or notice on your blog that informs your audience that you may earn a commission or receive compensation if they make a purchase through your affiliate links. It's important to disclose this information to maintain trust and transparency with your readers. It's a legal requirement under the Federal Trade Commission guidelines in the US and under several regulations in different countries, and so you can get fined if you don't have an affiliate disclosure in place. Plus, most affiliate programs won't accept you if you don't have an affiliate disclosure set up, or they can kick you out if they find out later. So let's dive into the tips to write the perfect affiliate disclosure for your blog, because that's easier said than done. Many think that just saying this post contains affiliate links is a sufficient disclosure, but it does not cover you legally. Your readers may not know what affiliate links are. So because this statement is not completely clear to all readers, it does not comply with the Federal Trade Commission guidelines, and so it can still expose you to the risk of fines. So let's see how to make your disclosure compliant. But before we get started, I wanted to clarify that although I'm a lawyer by profession, I'm not your lawyer, and so this video does not constitute legal advice, but the information I will provide in this video is for educational purposes only. So please take a moment to read my full disclaimer at the link in the description box down below so that we all know where we stand. Alright, let's jump into it. The first tip on how to write an affiliate disclosure for your blog is all about making it clear and visible to your readers. You want to make sure they can easily find it and read it. Your readers shouldn't have to look for it. It needs to be clearly visible on every post or page that includes affiliate links. Use a font size and style that's clear and legible. You don't want your readers squinting their eyes to read it. Use contrasting color and formatting that catch attention. Don't write your disclosure in a tiny, pale font your audience may not even notice. The next tip I have for you when it comes to writing an affiliate disclosure for your blog is to keep it simple and straightforward. You don't want to confuse your readers with legal mumbo-jumbo. Instead, use plain language that everyone can understand. So make sure it's worded in a way that your average reader will comprehend, but at the same time be specific. Your affiliate disclosure statement should disclose that you're using affiliate links, explain your financial relationship and what affiliate links are, and specify the financial reward you may obtain through them. For example, something simple and straightforward like, this post may contain affiliate links, which means we may receive a commission at no cost to you if you make a purchase through a link, would work well. I will include this disclosure statement in my description box below, and you're welcome to use it for your own disclosure on your blog. You will also want to link from this short statement to your disclosure page, where you should detail your full policy. On your disclosure page, you should disclose that you're using affiliate links on your site, what affiliate links are, any material relationship you have with the brands whose products you're promoting, how this would benefit you. For example, you get free products in return, or affiliate commissions, or a bounty on each sale you refer. You may also want to mention how you pick the products you recommend. Do you use them yourself? Do you test them before recommending them? Explaining all of this will help you build trust with your audience, and you can go through everything in detail on your disclosure page. Or if you're not sure how to write your disclosure page and want to get rid of all the guesswork, you can check out my plug and play disclosure template specifically designed for bloggers and content creators in the description box below. It will make sure you meet all the legal requirements and keep you up to date with future changes in legislation. Plus, my disclosure template comes with extra bonuses, including special requirements for the Amazon Associate Program, how to make your affiliate links no-follow in compliance with Google requirements, and so much more. Once you have your disclosure page set up, you can then link to this page from the disclosure statement on all your blog posts and from your sidebar, header, or footer for easy access. Moving on to the next tip, place your disclosure at the top of your blog post. Your affiliate disclosure must be located before any affiliate links appear and as close to the link as possible. Don't bury the disclosure at the bottom of your blog where readers may miss it. The goal is to ensure that readers are fully aware of your affiliate relationships before they click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. While it's important to have your disclosure at the top of your blog post, I wouldn't recommend to have it as the very first paragraph of your post. This is for SEO. Search engines pay a lot of attention to the initial content of a web page to understand its topic and relevance. So if you put your affiliate disclosure right at the beginning, search engines might get the wrong signals about the main topic you want to cover. Plus, if you place it in your first paragraph, your affiliate disclosure may appear under the title of your blog post on search engines' result pages as the meta description. You definitely want to avoid that. To strike a balance between transparency and good SEO practices, instead of starting with the disclosure, place it after the introductory paragraph. This way, you can engage your readers with a brief introduction before presenting the disclosure. The next tip I have for you when it comes to affiliate disclosure is to find a convenient way to ensure consistent placement of your affiliate disclosure on all your blog posts. If you're using the Gutenberg editor in WordPress, you can take advantage of Reusable Blocks. Reusable blocks allow you to create a block once and then use it across multiple blog posts with ease. To set up a reusable block for your affiliate disclosure, create a new block containing your affiliate disclosure using the Gutenberg editor, customize the design and wording of your disclosure to your liking. Once you're happy with your disclosure block, select it and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the block. From the menu, choose Add to Reusable Blocks. Give your reusable block a descriptive name such as Affiliate Disclosure. Then click Save to create the reusable block. Now that you have your reusable block set up, you can easily add it to any new or existing blog post. Open the blog post where you want to include the affiliate disclosure. In the Gutenberg editor, click on the plus button to add a new block. In the block search bar, type the name you gave to your reusable block, for example, affiliate disclosure. The reusable block should appear in the search results. Simply click on it to add it to your blog post. If you ever need to make changes to the disclosure, you can update the reusable block and the change will automatically reflect across all the blog posts where it's used. By the way, if you're enjoying the tips so far, hit the subscribe button to get more tips on how to grow your blog and protect it legally. Back to the next tip, always disclose. There are a number of different laws that regulate affiliate marketing in most countries. In the US, you need to be compliant with the Federal Trade Commission guidelines. If you don't comply, you can get fined. But even if you're not based in the US, if you target an international audience, I would still have all the required disclosure to be transparent with your audience and to meet the same legal standard as your audience doesn't necessarily know what laws and regulations apply or don't apply to you, so they might think you're not compliant. Regardless of whether you're required by law to have an affiliate disclosure on your blog, you want to be transparent with your audience and build trust. By having an affiliate disclosure in place, you will look legit, trustworthy, professional, and credible. You will be accepted into affiliate programs. If you don't have these disclosures in place, you won't be accepted. Most terms of service require you to have disclosures, and if you don't, they can kick you out of their affiliate program at any time. You will rank well on Google, Bing, and other search engines, which is really important to drive traffic to your content. You will build trust with your audience and convert them into repeat customers. When you're transparent with your audience, when you build trust with them, they will buy from you. So definitely always disclose. Which leads us to our next tip. The next tip I have for you is that you should disclose your affiliate links everywhere you use them, not only on your blog. In your work as a content creator, you may want to promote affiliate products on social media, or you may start creating ebooks, courses, freebies, and other resources where it would be useful to recommend these products. Or you may want to include affiliate links in your newsletters. Just go for it, but don't forget to add your disclosure there too. As to promoting affiliate links on social media, you don't need to provide a full disclosure statement, but you do still need to let your followers know you have something to gain from the suggestion you're making. As we are limited in the number of characters available on social media, the easiest way to disclose affiliations and sponsorship is to use hashtags. You can add hashtag affiliate link, hashtag affiliate, hashtag sponsored, hashtag ad. You can also simply say this is an affiliate link, but unless your audience is other bloggers, content creators, influencers, don't shorten the hashtag to something like hashtag AF, which I see all the time. Other content creators may know what that means, but the average person likely does not, and you don't want to be deceptive. The next tip on how to write an affiliate disclosure for your blog is to make sure you understand the terms of services of the affiliate programs you join and comply with any specific requirements they might have, or use specific disclosures when applicable. For example, the Amazon Associate programs require their members to use a specific disclosure statement. Keep up with the latest guidelines from the Federal Trade Commission or any relevant regulatory authority in your country. The Federal Trade Commission provides guidelines on how to disclose affiliate relationships properly. Make sure you review the guidelines periodically and update your disclosure statement accordingly. Or if you have my disclosure template, you will receive an update version at no extra cost to you if there are any changes in regulation. And if you want to learn more, make sure you watch this video next, where I walk you through all the legal pages you must have on your blog to blog legally. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao e a presto!